Good afternoon, children. Welcome you all to the Science Video Session Standard 5. Term 1. We are revising the portion. We already completed lesson 1, organ system. Today we are go to the second lesson, matter and material. Our need have increased in the modern days, and we use number of things in our daily life. We get some of them from the natures, and some of things are manufactured artificially. The things you use like pen, pencil, ink, eraser, notebook, ball, and the food we eat all have different nature and characters. They are obtained by the transferring the natural and artificial substance. Today we are going to discuss about matter and material, some material things, fiber. Now first, matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. The it is made up of everything around is made up of matter. All matter can be split into tiny particles called molecules. The matter can be assessed in three physical states: solid, liquid, gas. Right? Now we see the state of matter. First, solid, liquid, gas. In solid, molecules are very closely arranged. Solids are incompatible. They have definite shapes, size, volume. Example: ice, then stone, apple, this wood. These are all solid particles. Then liquid. In liquid, molecules are loosely packed. Hence, the liquid are negatively compressed. They have definite volume but no definite shapes and size. Example: water, petrol, diesel. These are all liquid particles. Then gas. In gas, the molecules are very loosely packed. Hence, gas are highly compressible. Example: hydrogen, helium, carbon dioxide, oxygen, water vapor. These are the gas. These are the state of water. Next, we are going to recall material. A material is a mixture of substance that consists an object. They can be pure or impure, natural or man-made. The material are needed to get the things need for our daily life. We need food, dress, and other good for our daily life. Natural and man-made material are transferred to produce these things. We are need. Okay, first next topic we are going to recall fibers. Fibers is a thin thread of natural or artificial substance. It is used to make clothes with help of power loops or weaving machine. The fibers are divided into two types: natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Today we are going to discuss first natural fibers. The fibers we get from plants and animals are called natural fibers. Example: cotton, lemon, jute, corny, etc. Then fiber made by wool and silk. These are get from animals. These are natural fibers. Now synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are made by humans by chemical synthetics. Example: rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic. For artificial fibers, these fibers are obtained from petroleum by complex chemical process. Today we are going to recall about natural fibers. First natural fibers is cotton. Cotton plant. The natural fibers are get from cotton plant. It's a paunchy plant of 5 to 6 feet height. The cotton grows well in black soil and alluvial soil. The cotton bud bearing a long number of green buds called cotton balls. These balls contain seed covered with white fibers. When the cotton buds mature, they burst, exporting the white fiber of cotton. The cotton is usually hand-picked from the plant. The cottons have the steps to they convert into yarn. First step: ginning. Ginning. There are two processes to make cotton yarn from the cotton fiber. The raw fibers are separated from the seed by a process known as ginning. The fibrous material left after separating cotton seed is called lint. This lint is then tied and pressed into the ball. The finally properties of short fibers and other impurity and removed by the process of company. Next process, the cotton ball change into fiber. How they change into fiber? These are the steps. First step, ginning. Next, spinning. The process of making yarn from the lint is called fiber. Is called spinning. The spinning is done on a long scale with the help of spinning machine. Okay, they say it into fabric. Fiber change into fabric. Fabric means in cloth. Then yarn to fiber. Okay, these are the process. These are held in the help of machine. Only they make the cotton ball change into cotton fiber. The cotton fiber change into yarn. The yarn change into thread. The thread change into fabric. Now uses of cotton. Okay, like this. Then next you see the uses of cotton. It is used to manufacture cotton textiles and garments. It is used as fills in pillow and mattresses. It is used for making surgical bandage. It is used for making dhotis, saris, bedsheet, tablecloth and so on. These are the uses of cotton. Next we discuss jute plant. Jute fiber is obtained by the stem of the jute plant. The jute plant have long, soft and shiny fiber. It is also referred to as the golden fiber due to its color and cost efficiently. The jute fibers are separated from the process of knitting jute by hand and then they are dry. They are converted into yarn in the same manner as the cause of cotton. How the cotton is changing to yarn, like this also the same step we are following. Next we call the uses of jute. It is used for making bags, carpet, curtains and ropes. It is used for making clothes for webbing balls of raw cotton and to make clothes for storing grains. It is used for making wall hanging for decoration. Next, curry. Curry fiber is obtained from the outer covering of coconut. It is used to make floor mat, door mat, buzzers and mattresses. This is the uses of These are the natural fibers we are get from the nature. We are using clothes for our daily use. Thank you, children. I hope that you recall the natural fibers. Tomorrow we see the next topic. Thank you, children. Next video. Thank you, children. Today homework you have to study this lesson one word. Thank you. Have a nice day.